What's up, one all 2008 here. This is kind of like an unboxing video of a new pair of runners I got. Under Armour ones. The model is Charge Rogue Twisted Ice, size 9 UK. Got them today in Lifestyle Sports in Ireland. I paid €40 for them on sale, from 50 down to 40. Not bad. Here they are here. Black kind of color. I suppose the ice would be the soles off them. Not bad, 40 quid. Can't go wrong. Nice, so there. Good feel on the foot. Nice material around here, so it is. It definitely, it's very comfortable when you're kind of walking in them. So it is. So I mean, you can't go wrong for €40, especially for Under Armour. I suppose you could classify them as a training kind of runner. I normally just use them for walking, so. Better view. Box itself is pretty plain Jane. And Armour, nothing that side. And Armour website. They are definitely very nice. I do like them. They're quite light, they're not too heavy. Good feel, good support, as I said. Yeah, can't go wrong for €40. So that's it. That's just a quick look at the Under Armour Rogue Ice runners. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. Subscribe. OnePlus 7 Pro video recording this as well. So